get you a little straight. Oh my God, this car just wants to go. Okay. Boost is just ready. Oh my God, I'm a little worried, not gonna lie. Here we go. Oh my God, it already lost traction, as you can see there. I don't want to turn it completely off. That's half throttle. Oh my God. Oh man, this is fast. Oh, this is fast. Hello and welcome back, everyone. So the moment has finally arrived. The car is finally done. This thing's scary. There is no traction at all. And these are new tires. They are very good tires with a lot of tread. It's not enough, apparently. I'm gonna have to get myself some 17s and some R888s. Achilles. Right now, these tires are my car's Achilles heel. Can't believe we're finally here. Lovely. Don't know what all that was about. All right, so that startup was new. It's a little scary, but I'm reading the codes right now. Oh man, please be good. Normal codes. Otherwise, right now it's idling just fine. All right, so after I've driven around a little bit, it's driving just fine. I'm not throwing any codes, nothing's going on. So far, so good. Let's hope it stays that way. Don't stretch your tires. Don't have basically rubber bands. This is scary. Oh my God. That's at half throttle. Woo! That was insane. All right, let's see what you got. Be good to me. Oh, that is so scary. Oh my God. I really hope you can hear all those pops, because I'm short shifting, and when I let go, there is just a huge old pop coming from my exhaust. For reference, I did lower my tires PSI so I can get a little more grip. Shall we try again? Yes. Getting a little more used to this thing. It's so scary, but it's so much fun. Oh my God. Ay, ay, ay. This is at half throttle. I need an LSD and I need some R888s. Woo! Woo! That's at half throttle! Oh my God, this is way more power than I was expecting. I broke traction at half throttle. I still got a little more to go. I gotta calm down for a little bit. Oh my God, slow down. This thing just wants to get up and go. It's like, all right, you built me. This is what you wanted. I hope. Here we go. Oh my God. All right, so that was scary, but everything's running good now. I'm gonna inspect it, make sure everything is good before I make some more videos. And I'm gonna start on the next project as well. Thanks for watching, and then stay tuned because crazy stuff is coming for this car. I want you to be a part of it.